Open source runs the world, but finding where to start, the right issue, or the right people to build with is challenging. So, we built GitTok, a social network for open source builders only possible due to the AT protocol that Tangled is based on. So, onto the platform. Completely open source and could be integrated in Tangled at any moment. Log in with your actual Tangled credentials. This opens the main view, where the main feature is a For You page. Now, this matches your profile with events, people, repos, issues that are fetched from the AT protocol firehose. Now, on the right hand side, we can see suggested profiles that are also matched according to your skills based on your repos, your commits, and everything you have done in Tangled. Now, the For You page, you have many features, such as you can follow your friends and get to know their project. Now, the problem with the platforms like GitHub is that you cannot follow your interest, your specific interest, and it's what GitTok makes this social coding platform. So, you can create For You topics. For example, I have already saved here, but creating a new topic, for example, let's say I like Rust, and I can save this, name it, save the feed, and now this is actually on my account a PDS that now any of my friends, by knowing that I have created this custom feed, which I could, since the code is open source, customize it anyway to fetch any kind of repos or get any kind of feed logic I want. All of my friends can add this specific Rust Enjoyer feed, and then they get projects recommended that are filtered by this. And the platform is completely integrated into Tangled, so clicking on any repo, we actually get the link and see the repo we want to maybe work on and get immediate access. The custom feeds already provide a great starting point to create threads that you want to follow and where to find projects. But in open source, usually the first starting point is an issue. So that is why we have GitTok. And this too matches your profile to all the profiles of the recent activity on the ATP network in Tangled. And you basically get a scrollable view of all the issues that match your skill level, your interests. All of this makes coding more social, makes it easier to discover open source projects, makes it easier to follow the people you want to work on, and makes a social coding platform without people actually posting anything. Something that could not be possible. To close off, finally, the details. This is a completely deployed platform. Anyone can start using this immediately using the link provided. Since the profile matching is done by listening to the firehose, we actually share this, our profile view, so anybody can use this active profiles in the past 3 days, plus all the people they have interacted with, all the repos they have started. So, instead of doom scrolling on TikTok, make open source more accessible and start contributing on GitTok.